Hey, how's it going? So I have box number 8 of 2019 Topps Chrome Sapphire. I'm going to rip into this right now. Haven't fared too well on these, but I still like to open them for the fact you could get something huge. You can see here the box got a little squished in delivery here. I'm hoping the cards are okay because they're on the bottom, so let's see. Let's see what happens here. Looking a little tight. There they are down there. So far, they seem okay. Meh. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Wish me luck. Hoping to pull something decent, as usual. Alright. Daniel Megden. Framber Valdez. Ranger Suarez. And Aramis Garcia. Looks like we got maybe the auto right here or color. Randy Nimmo. Ooh, it's purple, whatever that is. Nick Birdie. Brian Shaw, and it's a Met. Todd Frazier. Nice purple parallel there. 10 of 10. Oh man, I forget purples are 10. Nice. Cool. Got another thing behind here. Could be an auto, not sure. Zach Davies. Scherzer. And it's a green, I think. Blake Snell. League leaders. Kyle Tucker. Green Tucker. This is my second Tucker. So there you go. There's the auto. At least it's green. 48 of 50. Alright. So we get the last of these. The cards seem to fare okay here. They don't seem damaged, luckily. Adrianza, Ben Gamble, Christopher Negron. He was on the Dodgers. I didn't even realize he got traded. It's kind of a utility player who's actually pretty good. So he's on the Mariners. Cool. Jacob Junis. Seattle Mariners. Francisco Mejia. And Eniel De Los Santos. Rookie. 3 packs left. Ian Kinsler. New York Yankees. Descalfani. Lorenzo Cain. The checklists in this kind of, they hurt every time you pull one. It's one of 4 cards. Ugh. Of course, when I say that, I get 2 in a row. Nothing like jinxing myself. Nice. Last pack. Let's jinx myself with, I never get a Vlad or a Tatis. Addison Russell. Ooh, orange. Steven Gonzalez. That's cool. And another checklist? No, Chris Archer. And Noah Syndergaard. Could not jinx myself the wrong way. The good way. But here we go. Here are the hits. Not bad. Steven Gonzalez, orange. Didn't actually look at the number on that. 4 of 25. Kyle Tucker, green to 50. And a purple Todd Frazier to 10. So there you go. Another box. Another so-so box. But I'm happy I got some color. And the auto was color. So happy about that. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Peace.